Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. This is a healthy dish. It's made with chicken. It's a chicken salad, and I'm going to show you how I make my chicken salad, and this is one of my favorite salads that I love. So I'm going to show you how I combine all these ingredients together to make my salad tasty and of course healthy. So let's get cracking now. So let's talk about our ingredients and the things that you are going to need to make this salad. The first thing I have to show you guys is the chicken right there. That is chicken breast right there. And what I did, I just cut it up in little, whatever size you want to cut it up, but that is chicken breast. I'm just making a salad just for me and my hubby, so yeah, that is just about that. I'm going to add some vinegar to it. I'm going to use my EVO to get that dish going. I'm also going to put 2 tablespoons of ketchup. If you don't want to put ketchup, you could put barbecue sauce, or you could put the tomato sauce or spaghetti sauce, whatever you choose. You could get that. Make sure you have 2 tablespoons of that though. I'm going to add 1 apple, any apple of your choice. My choice of lettuce is my Raymond lettuce right there. I'm also going to add some fresh grapes to it, any grape of your choice. This is a seedless one. I prefer to use seedless grapes. I would think seedless grapes are better to use than the grapes with seed. And also I have here some dried cranberry, and it's just naturally sweetened, that's organic. And I'm also, to spice up my chicken, I'm going to add a little bit of Jamaican all-purpose seasoning, and that is a half a teaspoon of black pepper, and a half a teaspoon of garlic. So let's get all this ingredient together. Okay guys, I'm moving on to my first step. I have my pot on my fire. I'm going to use my little skillet, and I'm just going to go ahead and put my chicken in. I have just a little bit of that EVO in there, and again, you could use whatever kind of oil that you want to use. It is fine. Doesn't make a bit of a difference. I'm also going to add my salt, my garlic, and my Jamaican all-purpose seasoning. Just going to throw that all in there. I'm going to add a teaspoon of vinegar, and to that I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of ketchup. I'm just going to toss this around, and that is all that I'm going to put on this chicken here. I'm going to let this cook, because the chicken is already cooked. I boiled it, so it's already cooked. Okay, so you want to get your chicken breast and you want to boil it. Alright, any part of the chicken that you plan on using, you make sure you boil that chicken. I usually take my chicken breast, my boneless chicken breast, and I boil it, and you know, put it in the freezer just to preserve it. So that's what I do. And I like to use my chicken breast to make salads like these, or to make any little dish, like really fast dishes. Yeah, so that's basically it. I'm going to let that go ahead and cook for 5 minutes, and when I come back in 5 minutes, I'll show you my next step to get the salad ready. Okay guys, I want to show you what I did with my apple. All I did was peel it, take out the middle part of the apple and slice it down just like this. Alright, that's all you're going to. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to get this dish ready. Here I have my plate, so I'm going to show you guys how to decorate your salad. Okay guys, so now I'm going to show you how to make your salad dish presentable, because sometimes people eat them, are going to eat salad, they don't want to eat it because just the look of it in the plate, it turns them off right away. So the first thing you're going to do is get your lettuce of your choice and you put it into the middle of your plate. Because remember, the trick to people coming back to eat your food is when the food look presentable upon the plate. So you put your lettuce in, and then you just want to lay your apples going around like this at the end of your plate, just like that, in a circle. So when you get to that step, the next thing you want to do, you're going to go ahead and get your chicken and put it into the center, right in the middle of your lettuce. Let's put it right in the middle, just like that. And then the next thing you're going to do is get your grapes, and you just want to lay the grapes out just like that. And then you want to get your cranberry, your dried cranberry, and just throw it all over it just like that. And there you have it. I'm all done. That is how I make my chicken salad in my kitchen, and I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'm only going to make salads and vegetables and all that stuff and vegan dishes for this month of July. So I hope you like this recipe, guys. Don't forget to thumbs up, like, share, and let me know what you'd like to see me cooking next. And as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy! I'm going to let this cook for a good 30 minutes on medium heat. Cover it up nice and make it simmer. And when it's done simmer, it's time for we eat. So see you back in a few minutes.
So this is in with your foundation, full coverage, you know, like bam. And last but not least, the last thing I tend to go for in my makeup collection is this palette right here. Let me show you what this baby looks like. It has a whole bunch of concealers. I believe it's $10 for this palette.